I was going through my craft box and found these like little blank bookmarks and thought it'd be fun just to play around on them and see what we can create, you know? I just got these bright pens by Papermate from Target, but then I also have my gel pens that I sell and some midliner brushes. I wonder, can I use this glass? Excuse me, you look like you love me. For casual stuff like this, I just do it freehand and it makes my dad so nervous, but like, I just try not to think about it. It's just my handwriting, so cute. Excuse me, you look like you love me. Though, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I've been reading a lot on my Kindle, and you just don't need a bookmark for that, but I kind of want to do like another color overlapping that. Excuse me, you look like a... Do we not like? I really enjoy sitting outside, so this is like good for me. If you ever see me doodling, probably doodling some stars. Excuse me. We need a little bit of green, and the flowers don't really go together. Whoa. Not neon. I thought it was gonna be like the lime color of the pen. Okay, this turned out real cute. Real cutie. I kind of want to add another color. Excuse me. You look like you look... How many times am I gonna sing that? How many? Cutie! Save my spot.